I did. What is this? What? Excuse me? It looks like a fidget vending machine. What's that? It's a flip book. It says Belle. That's my cat's name. Let's see it. Oh, wow. It's a 3-page flip book. I guess it's like the cat, Queen, and Belle is, I guess, bowing down to it. And then I guess the cat queen drops its crown, and then Belle picks up the crown and sits on the throne. Oh, wow. Just yell to the parents. I don't care. To your parents. I don't even care if it's like 3 a.m. Just yell to your parents if you have like any pets named Belle or any siblings named Belle, or even like your any parents and stuff named Belle. Just, yeah, go running to them and screaming at them if they're named Belle. Anyone that you know that's named Belle, scream at them. I'm gonna light this box on fire in the vending machine. I'm making my hair cover up right there. Okay, let's just set it on fire. Ugh. Okay, let's put out. Wait, hold on. I didn't realize that it didn't set on fire. I didn't even look, so let me just, is that our fire alarm? Because of this vending machine? What the? Well, I did light on fire. It makes sense. Because, like, see, it's on fire. Oh. Okay. And don't worry if you, see it. Look, I blurred it out. With my editing powers, I just blurred it out. Right there. I blurred it out. So you can't see. Okay. Well, let's use this finally. Again. There's some mochis in there. Oh. I got the 3 cat mochis for my 6th birthday. In a few months, I'll be 8. So, yeah. And one of my friends, she has a famous YouTuber's birthday. One of my friends, which is like her birthday is the day before mine. Her name's Leticia, and yeah, she's in my class. And yeah, she has a famous YouTuber's birthday. And the famous YouTuber's birthday well, like the famous YouTuber, is named Lauren Z-Side. And yeah, my friend Leticia's birthday is on that day. So, oh gee. This may have been a short video, but make sure to like and subscribe, or, well, I'm going to set you on fire with my fire powers just like this. That's coming out of my hand. Yeah. So, yeah. You better like and subscribe. Or yeah, I'll light you on fire. Just like it's in my hand. And what happened to the box. So, yeah, bye.